So here's a little video to show how to install the lifting cords for the shafts. You're gonna take a long piece of thread and you make a loop. Alright, fold it in two, make a loop, and then you pass it through the hole from the rear of the loom, behind the lever, and through the hole. You take the loop and you pass it over the lever, and now you pass the two remaining strands and pass it through the loop, and then you tie it up. That's it. Alright, now I'm gonna take the view from the back. Now, so there's two pieces of threads, and you pass it, one is for each side. So that is for number one, so it goes to the front shaft. So the first pulleys. Pass it over the pulley and through the hole down to the shaft. And on the shaft there's an eye. You pass it through the eye and you make a knot. You tie a knot, make it as tight as you can. And you do the same for the other side. Now I have a simple trick. All you have to do to remove the slack on the thread, you need to lift the shaft a little while you make your knot, and this will prevent too much slack. After, all you have to do is move the lever up and down, and this will set automatically the tension. Thank you for watching.